If you want to find out how much time you spend on YouTube, there's a new update that shows you all that data. So you just gotta open the app and go to your photo right here on the top right corner, tap on that, and then you'll see all these options. And here we have time watched, tap on that, and then you'll see the stats of the amount of time that you spend on YouTube. So for example, today I spent 1 hour and 35 minutes, yesterday about the same. The past week I spent 22 hours, and my daily average is 3 hours and 15 minutes. So this is the time that I spend on this platform. Let me know how much time you spend in this platform in the comment section below, if you spend more than me or less than me. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.